Ladies and gentlemen, shift your gaze towards the skies. Heralding the parade and showering trumpeters, the Indian Air Force B-17 1B helicopters flying in the first formation. Formation leader today, Group Captain Alok Yadav, trooping the national flag and commanding on his helicopters carrying the inside of the armed forces. The helicopter from Andhra helicopter is proudly flying. Some features the Jeevu Bull, the Ashoka Pillar and the rotating emblem. It also features live figures representing diverse professions and a special dance sequence that celebrates equality and the binding spirit of the Constitution.
वहाँ का है हेलीकॉप्टर आ रहा है।